Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today's a random day. I only have a couple hours to do food delivery. I don't know how much I'm gonna do. I just wanted to vlog this a little bit. So I'm going to be doing Uber Eats. I've been trying out all the different apps. I don't know if you guys been watching my channel or if this is the first time you come, but hi, my name's Dylan. This is the Rideshare Hub. This is my channel. So usually I drive Uber and Lyft, but because of the lockdown and everything, I've been getting, I've been experimenting. I've tried out Instacart, I've tried out Postmates. Yesterday was my first day doing Uber Eats. And so today I figured that I would just, sorry, my hair's a mess. I'm getting a haircut today, so don't worry, you don't need to see me play with my hair all the time anymore. Wow, this is, I won't even talk. So today I'm gonna do Uber Eats for a little bit and see how much money I can make. It's literally 1 p.m., so it's like middle of rush hour. Hopefully I get a good order, so I'll just vlog with you guys and show you guys how much I make. I like doing these vlog things, so I don't want to show you guys my location. Well, I guess honestly it doesn't really matter. But basically I went into my driving preferences and turned on deliveries only, so I should only be getting, what's it called? Unable to go online. Oh, I need to do all this stuff. So I gotta take a photo of myself. Whoops, that was horrible. I'm gonna try to get a bigger order, maybe, I don't know, $5.17 minutes for $5.17 for 21 minutes. I'm gonna decline that one. I don't know how many you can decline. I wanna get a bigger order though, that's a tiny order. And I'm gonna, I'm gonna orange zone. $5 for Taco Bell. Let me see if I can get a bigger one. I don't know how many of these I can actually decline. That's the thing. Hopefully they don't deactivate me for declining a bunch. If you guys know, comment down below how many you can decline. $8. Let's see if I can get one over $10. I'm just gonna take the next one, screw it. I don't want to decline too many and get in trouble. $4? Are you serious? Bro, $4 is nothing. Okay, one more. Come on, big one. I don't know how many you're supposed to decline, but, dock me for that. That was a Starbucks one. I probably could have gone through the drive-thru. Come on, big money, baby. I feel like I'm playing the lottery. The thing is, I don't want to go to these little restaurants where, like I'd rather get one from, like, Chipotle or something, because those are way easier. I don't like going to those, like, small restaurants. Kava. In Laguna Beach? Bro, 39 minutes? 40 minutes for $9. No thank you. Oh my gosh. That's like $10 an hour. That would probably gonna take an hour total. Here we go. Big money, baby. Big money, baby. $4? Bro, I don't know how many of these I can cancel. They're probably gonna log me off. I'm just gonna do the next one. I'm gonna do the next one. See, I don't want to go to one of those little rinky-dinky places. I'd rather go to like a Chipotle or something. I really hope this isn't gonna dock me points, or lower my rating or something. If any, $15 from Popeyes. Oh my gosh, in only 29 minutes. I'm down. I'll do it. That's how you get a big money order, baby. And look, only 2.5 miles, bro. Let's see how much he ordered. Half a gallon. Okay, so 4 sandwiches and Hawaiian punch. This is a really easy order. I don't know why it's so much. All right, guys, I'm gonna go drop this off. Gonna go pick up this order and then I'll check back in with you guys soon. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see, but I'm at the Popeyes right now, and update, I accidentally went to the wrong Popeyes. So I walked in there and I was trying to explain to them for a while. Did they send me to the wrong one? I don't know, guys. Look, it shows that I'm here at the right one, but I went in and now it's saying that I'm not at the right one. So they literally just told me, oh, we don't have it, wrong order. I might need to actually go back in and talk to them. Guys, I went in and they said wrong place. I think Uber's GPS is messed up because look, it's showing that I'm here at the place right now, but when I go here, that's the place, 23426. I typed it in on here, 23426. Is that right? 23426. It's showing that I'm 4 miles away. So guys, Uber's GPS just sent me to the wrong location, I think. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. What the heck? Uber just sent me here, but 23462. Crap, did I type that in wrong? 23462. 234. What is it? 234. Wait a second. 23462. Look, look, look. Guys, I have 2 different addresses. Do you guys see that? 23426, 23462. Which one is it? What the heck? I'm so confused. And here it goes, 23426. 23426. But as you can see here, it's 23462. I'm so confused. 23426, right? Los Alisos Boulevard. 10 minutes. What's over there? Two, 23426. I'm so confused. Is that the guy's house? 23426. Alright guys, I literally need to go back inside because this is the right place. They just literally told me to leave. They told me to leave because this is the wrong place, but I think Uber messed up, guys. So guys, look at this. Did you guys see that? For whatever reason, they have Uber messed up with the 2 addresses. No, I think Uber's fine. I think the place, I don't know. They said it's not ready though. I'm so confused. Guys, I need to go figure this out. I'll update you guys because they literally just kicked me out. Popeyes kicked me out and said I need to leave because this was the wrong place. I'm not leaving. I have to go back in there. I hope the cops don't show up. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys, so I'm pissed. I just went back in there and I told him, hey, look, yes, this is the right place. So if you guys don't know what's going on, basically, if you guys skip to this part, I got an order from Popeyes, $15 order. I drove all the way out here and they told me that, oh, we don't have that order. I'm like, bro, I'm literally here and I'm showing you. And guys, I talked to the lady and she goes, you know, just the normal cashier, and she goes, oh, we don't have the order. I'm like, okay, well, can you check with the manager? She literally looks behind her and she goes, hey, the guy doesn't have the order. And the manager doesn't say anything to the girl. And the girl turns around and she's like, I don't know. Like, bro, you're a manager. Give me the food. She's like, we didn't get the order. I'm like, okay, well, I just drove all the way over here. What am I supposed to do? I just wasted all my gas. I'm calling up Uber support right now. I have to go into here now. This is so annoying. I have to go into here. There's a problem with food delivery. I have to now go into here somehow. Go click on here. This was the order. How do I even report issue? Call support. I need to call support now.
Hi. Welcome to Uber Eats phone support. If you are reaching out with questions,
let's see how long this support call takes. It's 1:40 p.m.
Uber.com/coronavirus. That's Uber.com/coronavirus.
All this time wasted.
We are experiencing high call volume.
Oh yeah, high call volume.
If you have an issue with a live order, please stay on the line. All other inquiries, please reach out via your Uber app.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Reach out through my Uber app.
Currently delivering an order.
Yes, I am.
If you're not calling about this order, press star. Otherwise, if you are calling because the restaurant is closed, press 1. If the customer changed their delivery address, press 2. If the restaurant couldn't complete all or part of this order, press 3. 3.
That's me.
If you've waited a long time to deliver this order and want to cancel, press 4. For help contacting the customer, press 5. For everything else, press 0 to be connected with a team member.
Okay guys, I'm still on support.
Please stay on the line, and we'll connect you to the next available team member.
Let's see how long I have to stay on support for.
Quality and training purposes.
Let's see how long I stay on support for, and if I even get paid at all for this order. I have a feeling I'm gonna get it canceled, and I'm not gonna make any money. I drove all the way here for nothing, and wasting my time, my precious time. I'm an entrepreneur. Time is money. I'm sorry, but I could be doing work right now and getting paid otherwise. If you guys are an entrepreneur, you know time. If you do anything, you know time is money. I'm gonna waste an hour on this and not get paid? This has gotta be a joke. Uber Eats, you better pay up for this, because I just drove all the way over here. And I'm using my time. I'm also not happy with the way Popeyes handled it. They didn't even barely talk to me. The manager didn't even want to talk to me. They treat us like nothing. Hello? I've been a whole, this is another 2 minutes already. 2 minutes total. Let's see how long I'm gonna be on hold for. Sucks so far, guys. Not a fan of Uber Eats today. Yesterday was great. I made 35 bucks almost in about 2 hours. It was like, heck yeah. It's like $18 an hour, I'm down. Today is not looking as good. I've been on hold now for 5 minutes. And I guess I can check to see what time I started this delivery, guys. It's insane. What time did I go on? What time did I start the video? Or did I accept that delivery? 1:25 or something. Still on hold, guys. I've been on hold for 8 minutes now. Absolutely ridiculous. Hi, yeah, I'm in the middle of a delivery and I went to Popeyes and they said that that they never got their order. Like, the restaurant said that they never got the order, so yeah, I just drove all the way to this restaurant and now I don't know what to do.
To verify the restaurant, it's not showing on their system for the order for the customer.
Yeah, so I got the order for the customer and then I went to the restaurant and then I walked in and they said we never got the order and then they told me to leave. So I don't know, like, I just drove all the way over here. What's that?
Can you verify them with the name of the customer?
Oh,
or the
yeah.
name of the restaurant?
So the restaurant is Popeyes, and the order was for let's see, Eric C.
One moment, let me attach the trip so I can check the order details for you.
Thank you. Okay guys, I'm on mute now, but I was on hold for 10 minutes. I could have already dropped.
I have the order information for Eric. I will now coordinate with the restaurant so you can continue with other deliveries. I just need to contact them personally. Would you mind if I place you on hold for 3 to 5 minutes?
You're gonna call the restaurant and then place me on hold again?
Yes, I will contact the restaurant. Just give me 3 to 5 minutes to coordinate with them so you can move on with other deliveries, okay?
Okay, thanks.
I'll get back to you shortly. 1 moment.
Bye. Yeah, guys, so that stupid music off. So I ended up being on hold for 10 minutes there, and now he put me on hold again. And by the way, I looked back. This has already taken me over 20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes of my life and driving. And I still haven't gotten paid a dime. And now he has to call up the company. They have to make the food, apparently. And then I'm gonna order the guy's food, like. This sounds so annoying. They're gonna order the food late, so I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated if I ever get paid from this, or even if I have to finish this or cancel it. Hi.
Thank you for patiently holding. Sorry for the long wait. Yeah, I tried to contact the restaurant, and yes, it's not reflecting cancel the order from my side. Can you please check if the order was already canceled?
You're gonna cancel it?
Yes.
Am I gonna make money still?
Can you please check on the app if the order was already canceled? Yes.
Yeah, it already got canceled.
Yes. So you will receive $3 payment for your time and effort going to the store.
$3?
Sorry for this inconvenience. Yes, sir.
That's it? I've been waiting 20 minutes and I had to drive all the way over here.
I would suggest moving forward, you can contact the store if the food is ready. Because in this case, it's not reflecting on their system, so I need to cancel it on my end. You can now continue with other deliveries. Sorry for this inconvenience.
Yeah, but you said $3 though, right?
Yes, sir.
I've already been on this order for half an hour. That's $6 an hour.
So this is a system-generated amount, and this is the amount for the specific trip or order therein. I would suggest for you to...
I mean, I do...
The store.
You want me to go back in the store?
No, moving forward, if you can coordinate with the restaurant, I mean, once you reach the store, if they don't have the order, just give us a call immediately so we can cancel it on our end.
Yeah, that's what I did this time. I was on hold for like 20 minutes, that's what I was saying. I called you guys right away. Hello?
Oh, sorry to hear about that. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I did that already.
Yes, you've been on hold for 20 minutes before you speak to me prior?
Yeah, about 10, but then you put me on hold again. So yeah, like in total, I've been on the phone with Uber for like 17 minutes now. And then it took me 10 minutes to get here, 20 minutes, so. I'm just saying, like, for all that work, like 30 minutes waiting to get $3 is like pretty bad.
I do apologize for that. In regards with this, sir, moving forward, you can contact the store before driving to the restaurant to ask if the food is ready. If they have, so you will not experience the same issue.
So you want me to call up every restaurant from now on and ask to make sure their food's ready? Is that like...
It's optional, just to make sure, yes, for you to not waste your time driving to the store, and then if you wait too long, especially if the order is not ready, or if they don't have the order, so before you drive to the store, you can, as your option, you can contact the restaurant just to verify, so you will not gonna waste your time driving to the store if they don't have the order, or if it's not ready yet.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Well, alrighty then.
Gotcha, thank you for calling over. You have a good day.
Okay, bye. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got $3! 3 buckaroos, what am I gonna do with $3? I just wasted half an hour. I just wasted over half an hour and I had to drive all the way over here for $3. Guys, I don't know what to say. I'm putting in the towel. I'm done today. I'm sorry, but this is all I did today. This is horrible. Guys, yesterday I went out with Melissa and we made over 30 bucks. Today I made $3. This is absolutely bonkers to me. $3, bro, what do you mean $3? You know time is money. I got $6 an hour for all this. Okay guys, I have to go. I'm gonna go get my haircut now. I've been waiting too long. I thought it would already be done with this delivery. With 15 bucks in my account. All right guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not happy with Uber Eats right now. Okay, bye.